is a lovely little coffee table. It is useful, it's got lots of provenance, and it's very typically Oriental and Chinese. Starting with the red lacquer, that of course brings loads and loads of good fortune in Chinese belief. And it has two useful drawers on each side, so that no matter which way you're facing, you've got storage. So there we go, that one, and then on this side, and then the same in the other areas. The panels in the top are decorated with Oriental flowers. They've got peacocks on them, and on the side panels at each end there is decoration of butterflies and pomegranates and peaches and all the symbols that mean lots of good luck and good fortune in Chinese culture. It's a really lovely coffee table, and will be useful in a living room where you need something that you've got some storage for all those TV and media accessories, as well as the charm of having a statement piece in perhaps a neutral scheme. Lots of greens and some dashes of orange in the panels on the top here and in the side, but then you've got the predominant red lacquer as well.